Good morning, YouTube. It's another day and another beautiful opportunity, not just in the market, but in life, to be here and give you guys market updates on US dollar pairs and gold. So let's dive straight into it. Yeah, so we have gold here with we'll be looking at gold, and we've been waiting for gold to break this high, but obviously gold keeps dropping. If we should go to the 1 hour time frame, we'll see that price drop from this high. So our expectation for today will be either to get price take out this low, or and then maybe take out this low and then give us another factor shift for price to continue going up, or we might just from here, from this zone I just marked out, and continue going up, because that zone is a 4 hour zone. Probably we might even see price taking out this low. Anything can happen in the market. We just have to wait patiently for price to show us signs that is ready to reverse, just like price did here. We saw the change of character, and even you took this, you would have capitalized from all this, but it didn't hit TP though before it started reversing. So maybe we might see price reversing from here once we see our change of character from this zone here. Once you see a change of character from this zone here, then like from here, then we will look for longs on US dollar, sorry, on SAUSD, which is gold. So that's that for gold, guys. I'm still looking for longs on this pair, because obviously gold is bullish, so we are going to keep going further into the highs. And besides, we have this high here that I would like price to take out. So I'm still looking to see price continue with the uptrend. Yeah, just waiting for price. Maybe give us a change of character here from the 15 minutes, then we can scale into some long and then take this high out. So the next pair, DXY. Well, we saw DXY dropping down lower yesterday after we anticipated to see price maybe take out this high before the drop, but unfortunately we didn't see that. But now, what do we have here now? What do we have now, guys? What do we have now? We have price giving us a factor shift. Sorry, let me take this out. Now we've seen our breaking structure and then our change of character for the longs to occur, and now we already see the longs going. We already see price going further to the high after we had price take out this liquidity here. After we saw price taking out this as our liquidity, or fuel for price to keep pushing on. So after that, we saw price going further into the highs. Yeah. So what are we expecting now? We're expecting more highs, more longs for price to take out this high. Yeah, because this is our change of character, and even our fractal, we had fractal change of character also in the 1 hour. This was fractal low, and this the fractal high break, showing price is ready to continue longing. And from there we see price continue to push up further into the highs. So that's that for DXY, guys. That's that for DXY. We see price is obviously bullish, and the trend is being respected and held. We saw this this demand zone I marked out yesterday hold. So obviously we're going to keep looking for more longs till price takes out this relatively low highs. Yeah, and today we also have a high impact news. Today we have CPI, guys. We have CPI. Today is CPI, guys. So this news folder didn't show today's news, but today's CPI, guys. So because I checked forex.com and investing.com, so I found out that we have CPI. So we have CPI, guys, and our expectation for CPI might be to see dollar long. Yeah, so that's that for DXY, guys. So the next is Euro USD. I would have loved price to sweep this liquidity, at least take this out so that we can continue dropping. But now we have buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity for price to take out. So but definitely I would love to see price take out this buy side liquidity so that we can continue with the shorts and have a clear trend in the market and a clear market structure. You understand? So that was what I was expecting for Euro USD today. So nevertheless, I'm still looking for shorts on Euro USD. So I'm expecting short continuation on Euro USD. So I would just like to see price maybe take out this high before we drop. But anyways, we are still looking for shorts on Euro USD. If we should look sorry, let me actually delete this because it's kind of useless now. So if we should look, okay, let me delete this too. Okay, so guys, if we should look at this, we have a factor shift here already, which is we have a change of character here, and then this was our break of structure that caused this change of character. So possibly we might see price continue dropping from here, and this being our supply zone for price to keep dropping, and this being our supply zone for price to keep dropping. So we might continue seeing shorts on Euro USD from here. If you want to take this trade, just make sure you wait for 15 minutes to break below this. Once this gets broken in the 15 minutes maybe, then you can just look for retracement to short the pair, to join the shorts. But definitely I would still like to see price take this high. It will be more clear. It will give us a better price action for price to take out this liquidity high and then continue with the shorts. So that's that for Euro USD, guys. So to the next pair is GU. GU also, I'm looking to see more shorts on GU. I'm also looking to see more shorts. I would have loved to see price take this high before, at least take this as liquidity before we start dropping. But price action, we are still waiting for price to do this thing. I would like to see price take this high, this liquidity high here. I would definitely like to see price take this liquidity high here so that we can continue shorting. GBP USD. So I can continue shorting GU. So if price should take this high, it will give us a better price action to sell. That's that for GU, guys. The next pair should be AUD. AUD also looking nice. As of yesterday, we had our factor shift. Now AUD, we have our change of character now, obviously after in the let me go to the 4 hours. 4 hours we have price ranging actually. On the 4 hours, and we saw a liquidity sweep here, and then the after this liquidity sweep here, price started dropping. But we first had our change of character here, like price is ready to sell off. This was our first change of character here. But though we are still in a ranging market, so I don't trust AUD. I would have preferred to see price take out this high here before we start selling, but we didn't get that. But still, we can still do something from the market. So going to the 1 hour, back to the 1 hour, what did we see here in the 1 hour? Let me just take this out so that we will not get distracted. So here in the 1 hour, what did we see? We see our change of character from here, and price reverse up to test the reconstruction. So this might be a good opportunity to sell. So this was our break of structure, and this is our change of character. Then from here we tap into this zone. From there maybe price will start dropping to the downside and following the trend till we get to maybe this zone as TP1 and this one as TP2. That's that for AUD, guys. That's that for AUD. But okay, next, this is the lowest low here. So this might be our TP2. So this will also be a nice trade. If you want to jump into some trade on AUD, you can just wait for a break of this low. Then when you get a break of this low, you wait for the retracement and then you short from there. So simple. That's that for AUD. Then the next pair should be New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar, we obviously had a liquidity sweep, and from this high, or from this one I just marked, let me bring it closer so you can see. So we had this liquidity sweep within, and we tapped into our demand, our supply zone here, a little bit of like price just tapped into the supply zone here, and from there we saw price dropping, giving us a change of character, this being our break of structure for the change of character. Then now what are we looking for? We are waiting to see price, and now price took this high as liquidity after the break of structure, after the change of character. Then this being our liquidity, because this didn't break any low, so this being our liquidity. And now what do we see here? We have price after this being our liquidity, then we see a price, we have price taking that as our liquidity, our change of character here, our break of structure for the change of character above here, and then what next? We are retesting that again. So what am I expecting on this play? I'm expecting to see shots. I'm expecting to see price drop from here. So you can go to the 15 minutes and check for change of character first before you can sell off, or break or factor shift, so that you can sell off all the way down here, all the way to this low, because all these are multiple liquidities, all these are liquidity for price to take out. So you can go to the lower time frame like 15 minutes or 5 minutes and take these shots to for price to take out these lows. So that's that for New Zealand, guys. So the next pair is US dollar CHF. US dollar CHF, I'm expecting price to continue with the uptrend, though price is looking more bearish than bullish. 24 hours, I would like to see price maybe take this high here and maybe tap into this zone before we can start selling off. But we already have liquidity grab, and we are already in the 50% of this entire move, so we might start seeing sell off from here. You understand? We might start seeing sell off from here on SLRCHF. So from here we can start seeing sell off if price tap into this zone and start selling off. So we can start seeing sell off from here for price to take out this low, continuing the downtrend like we've seen that price is in downtrend. So I want to see price continue the downtrend. That's what I'm just looking to see, because these are our high, these are our low, this is another high, and I expect price to build up another low for the trend to continue. So that's that for US dollar CHF, guys. Next pair is US dollar CAD. US dollar CAD already pushing up like we anticipated yesterday, after we got price to take out this liquidity low. After we saw this liquidity low, then we saw price continue to push up to the upside. Then now we have our break of structure, our change of character, giving us confirmation that price is ready to go after taking that liquidity. So now we are seeing price continue to push up. So the target is this high. So I'm still waiting for price to drop down a bit so I can scale in for some buy from here. From here, my stop loss will be below here. Then my profit target should be above. Sorry, here. So this should be my profit target for today, guys. So that's what I will be looking out for on CHF. Sorry, on US dollar card. Just a 1:2 risk to reward on US dollar card. The next pair is US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY, I'm still looking to see price take out this high. So until price takes out this high, then I will look to see a change of character for a retracement. Then we can long again on US dollar JPY. So the next pair is GBP JPY. This is a bonus pair. GBP JPY, I'm still looking to see price continue, maybe drop down a little, take out this liquidity, and maybe from this zone we'll start seeing longs. From this zone here we'll start seeing longs. So that's what I'm looking at for GBP JPY, as we have had price take out this high, and so I'm waiting to see price drop to the low, take this out as our liquidity, and then from there we'll keep going up. So that's that for today, guys. That's that for today. That's that for our market outlook, guys. So if you like to see videos like this, or you like this video, please subscribe, leave a like on the video, and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss our next upload. Thanks, guys. Peace out.